Literature review track, research question, how does constraint satisfaction in AI problem solving compare with human cognitive mechanism of decision making? Introduction, the importance of the research question. Now the research question is important because it connects and compares technology to human thinking or human decision making. It could also help us understand how we humans handle complex choices and how we make complex decisions or how we make decisions in general. It could also help us improve our AI systems. It could also help us design tools or AI tools that better support our decision making. Now, the question itself is connected to cognitive science through some of the core cognitive science principles that were explored during the research process. Now, these principles include bounded rationality, limited working memory, parallel perceptual processing, and cognitive architectures such as ACT-R and SOA. The design. The literature review was designed by examining the main question or by breaking down the main question into four subtopics, which includes constraint satisfaction problems in artificial intelligence, human decision making and cognitive mechanisms, neural and cognitive models of decision making, and how AI inform cognitive science and how cognitive science in turn could inform AI. The process involved in narrowing down the books or articles used in the research includes performing targeted search based on the subtopics and then selecting articles that now focus on these subtopics. Now, during the research process, there was no need to pivot at any point just to arrive at conclusion. Right? This is because there are a lot of articles that already address the elements that are central to the core research question, the main research question itself. The results, uh, here are some of the findings from the study. So AI CSP algorithms are computationally lucid, right? But they offer little explanatory power for our cognition. Human cognitive models explain the why behind our behaviors. They explain the reason behind our decisions, but they lack the precision of algorithms. AI models simulate outcome in precise manner sometimes, while human cognitive models often explain underlying constraints and processes in a coarse or rough manner. Now, none of the reviewed models connected behavior, mechanism, and computation together. In conclusion, here are some of the learnings from the study. AI constraint satisfaction and human PCS, they both solve problems in similar manner, but then they differ in their internal mechanism. Although AI CSPs and human PCS are real, the similarities between them are real, right? They are also partial. Now, this is because they only expose the functional sameness and not the mechanistic equivalence between them. Human decision making does not necessarily require optimality for productivity. For instance, we humans, we do not need to perform an exhaustive search for us to arrive at a decision, unlike AI algorithms like backtracking search, where every branch of a tree needs to be visited for a decision to be arrived at. While AI models struggle with things like vagueness, evolving goals, and qualitative constraints, humans handle them naturally. Now, together, these models together, right, could inform each other in such a way that uh, they present a clear plan toward understanding and building systems that are capable of reasoning with flexibility, adaptability, and the depth of the human mind.